Hello everyone. Today I will show you how to fulfill your Shopify orders using Amazon FBA. First, you need to set up Amazon FBA. Make sure your products are in Amazon's warehouses. To do this, log into your Amazon Seller Central account and create a shipping plan. Follow the instructions to send your products to Amazon. Next, you need to install an integration app in Shopify. Go to the Shopify App Store and search for an Amazon Connector app. Some popular options are Amazon MCF, ShipR, or the native Amazon app. Install the app you choose. After installing the app, you need to connect it to your Amazon account. Open the app and authorize it to access your Amazon Seller Central account. This allows Shopify to communicate with Amazon and send orders for fulfillment. Once the accounts are connected, sync your inventory and map your SKUs. Make sure the product SKUs in Shopify match the SKUs in Amazon FBA. This is very important because mismatched SKUs can cause fulfillment errors. Then configure your fulfillment settings in the app. You can set it to automatically send orders to Amazon and choose the shipping speeds, such as standard or expedited. Finally, enable automatic fulfillment. You can allow the app to send orders to Amazon as soon as they are placed, or manage orders manually if you prefer. After setup, test the system by placing a sample order in Shopify to confirm that Amazon receives it and sends a tracking number back. Thanks for watching.